What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford Lightning F150 remote key fob. This Ford Lightning key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if I hold my key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, what I'm going to do is use this key to pop this back cover up right here. So I'm going to come over here to this slot that I'm touching with the end of the key. I'm going to stick the key in that slot, then I'm going to angle it up like this and push up on that back cover. And that can take a good amount of pressure to get that off, especially if your cover's never been off before. But once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver, or even something like with a point on it will work, but it just needs to fit in this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. Get it in that notch, and then you can get under the edge of the battery and pop that battery out. Now we'll grab our new replacement battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing our new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this outer edge in first, like that. Tuck that edge in, like that, and then snap the battery down into place. And now we'll put this back cover on. And if you notice there's a little bit of a tab on this part of the cover, I'm going to kind of slide that part in first. So slide that up like that, and then snap it down into place. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.